Located atop a deposit of granite rocks, perched 100 meters above sea level, in Acapulco de Juarez, Mexico, the Casa Piedra stone house is a residential subdivision in one of the peninsulas that surround the traditional Bay of Acapulco in the state of Guerrero, which takes the name from its unique integration with the rocky landscape. Designed by taller Gabriela Carrillo, the house is largely informed by the challenging characteristics of its site, to fit carefully into its topography. The architects describe the spirit of the house, and the two main goals of the design. In the first place, the architects had to preserve as much as possible the rocky spirit, an immense sea of stones, mainly two enormous pieces more than 2 meters in diameter in the center of the terrain. The second challenge was to dilute the scale of the house and the topography with more than 17 meters of difference in level from the lowest point, looking for the balance point where the sea peaked out, the wind flowed and the existing rock in the heart of the project would slide under the porch house to disappear the limits between the natural terrain and human interventions. The use of a single material, concrete with color, product of the mix of cement and local sand, achieves the color of the local beaches. Apparent cast concrete walls and washed and anti-slip floors, with low light reflection but also of low thermal absorption, were important to be able to walk without shoes around the whole house. The formwork wood was reused to make lattices and light structures, as well as the stone produced by the same excavations was used to define terraces and containments. Intelligent solar panel systems for the pool and photovoltaic systems for electrical energy, as well as water treatment systems, make the house practically autonomous from the local infrastructure. Spanning over 12 meters, this element is ultimately supported by a row of slender posts. The goal of this strategy is to ensure a wide, uninterrupted frame overlooking the jungle and ocean beyond. The structural logic of the house is characterized by an array of portico covers, which at times hover just a few centimeters above the existing boulders on site. The main semi-enclosed living space is sheltered by two solid slabs with a thickness of 20 centimeters. Here's a look at the plan. Designing the house, the architects overlay a simple, regular grid atop the rugged plot. This process results in unexpected moments of complexity where the rational order encounters the large stones, existing trees, and dramatic slopes. Meanwhile, the team ensures that while the site's boulders are preserved, the design prioritizes wide-open social areas and reserves fully enclosed spaces for necessary functions.